Okay, I don't know if you can see it now, but everything's so hazy around here, just because of the fires. Like, it's very bad out here in the city. Much worse on the affected areas. Yep, it's pretty hazy up here. You can see. Oh shit, it looks so bad. Okay, we gotta go home. Hey guys, so I don't know if you know, there's really bad fires here in Australia lately. And yeah, the whole country is on fire. It's really bad. The city right now is so smoky. And yeah, the smokes are over. The fires are far from here, but yeah, the smoke has arrived here in our place, in the city. So it's hazy and it's getting warm also. It's getting so hot. So everything's gonna be so bad in a few days. So yeah, everywhere there's smoke, there's really bad smoke, and if you check out the map, there are fires everywhere. The worst one right now is in Malakula, wherein everybody's asked to go to the water because there's no exit points, and fire is really everywhere. It's really bad out here. I hope everything will be okay. I hope everything will be fixed soon. But yeah, that's it. Okay, so I just skated all the way from Bayswater to Auspost to get some mail from the parcel locker. Yeah, one of those days. It's so hot today, but I'm gonna enjoy skateboarding because I love skateboarding. So I'm only vlogging for now. Gonna ride all the way home. Forgot to show you how to. Never mind. May not be able to film tomorrow because I'm shooting a wedding. So here's my gear. I have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full frame lenses. So I have the 35, 50, 85 1.4. I have the 24 1.4, and I have the Tamron 17 to 28. So basically those are my gears. I have the A9 there. Oh, I also have one macro, which is the 50 2.8 macro. It's an old lens. So yeah, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lenses. That's all I need. I have the drone for tomorrow. Have cases for memory card. Cases for, it's hard to do this with one hand. Batteries. Oh, I lack one. Need to look for it now. Okay, it's been a hectic few hours for me because I'm preparing for tomorrow's shoot. It's late now, so I might not be able to add some more. But anyway, I'm editing one of my old vlogs, unfinished vlogs as of now. Hopefully I can upload it within this week. Also tomorrow I'll be shooting a wedding, so it's gonna be hectic and busy. And yeah, and I'm also exhausted, so I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'll see if I can vlog a bit, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Anyway, that's all for now, guys, and stay safe, be a good boy, and whatever. Night.